Pisces यानी मीन राशि 2026 is spiritually powerful year for you, but your boundaries will be your biggest lesson this year. Hello everyone, this is Jasmeet Kaur, your master healer from Angels Heal You. Today I'm going to give you generic predictions on Pisces यानी कि मीन राशि. This is on basis of moon rashi. What is happening is 2025 is leaving and we are entering into the new year, which is 2026. So I will start with the generic readings, then I will move on to your health, then to your relationships, then we'll move on towards your money or abundance bit, and in the end you will have a special message from the fairies for the year 2026. So let's begin. Pisces यानी मीन राशि 2026 is the year for you when you have to spread your wings. You are ready to soar. The timing is perfect. So do not hold back. Right now is the time for you in this year. If you really want to achieve things in your life, this is the year for you. Also, I can see in this year that there is a relationship harmony, which is the message coming from the angels. They are opening the hearts of everyone involved. All the arguments or conflicts which you have been facing in the past years will be resolved in the year 2026. So Pisces, get ready for it. It will bring you, this year 2026 will bring you a lot of relationship harmony. Also, what I'm getting is that you have to start practicing breathing exercises in the year 2026. You need to start working on something which is like yoga or breathing exercises, which will give you good health in the year 2026. So this is about the generic reading for the year. Now I'm moving on to your health. Pisces यानी मीन राशि for the year 2026. So what is the message for your health? You have to be caffeine free. Try and limit your caffeine in the days coming next year, because for your optimal health and good life, the chemicals might fight with the rhythms of your aura, with your energy field. So once you stop drinking too much of caffeine, you will be able to concentrate better on your work and get a healthy lifestyle. Also, what I can see is that there is something which is bothering you in the year 2025. You have to request angels to help you trust your feelings so that they are accurate barometer of truth. So sometimes you fail in making decisions, and this year it'll be very beneficial if you actually start trusting your feelings. If your feelings are that this food is not good for your health, stop eating. If your feelings are that you are not able to exercise in a certain way, stop it. Take it easy. So you have to basically listen to your feelings and body when they suggest you something. Also, take care of your diet in the year 2026. It is very important for you to control your cravings, to be caffeine free, and to trust your feelings. If there are any messages that you're getting from your feelings about the health, it is the right barometer of truth, which is telling you to stop doing something in the year 2026. So now I'm moving on to the relationship bit for Pisces Meen Rashi. I can see that if you want to find your soulmate, you need help from your friends. So start looking for your soulmate or your person you are trying to be in emotionally involved with. Your friends will help you to find one. So ask for and accept help and support from your friends. Also, what I can see is that this is your true love, which is coming in the year 2026. It will be a romance of a lifetime. So remember, in 2026, you will meet a special person through your friends, and it will be a true love, which will be a romance of a lifetime. And also, what I can see is that your inner child somehow is affecting your relationships. So you need to try and understand that your relationship is important, and whatever challenges you're facing right now, you have to evaluate and resolve those challenges. Okay, now I'm moving on to the abundance and money part for Pisces, yani Meen Rashi. You need to declutter your life. If there is any clutter around you, which is in your home, in your office, in your mind, in your thoughts, you need to clear all the clutter so that even your cupboards, and if there is a clutter in your cupboards, you need to organize everything, which will attract more and more abundance in your life. And also, what I can see is that you have to start your vision board this year, in the year 2026. And once you start praying and once you start making your vision board, you will be able to achieve the things that you have been aspiring for. The power of prayer is amazingly beautiful. You have to start praying to God also and give gratitude for what you already have. Then you start visualizing in terms of making a vision board, and you also work towards it and make sure that you declutter your life. It could be anything, but you need to declutter so that you are able to receive abundance and money in the year 2026. So Pisces, Meen Rashi. Now I'm going to take out the beautiful fairy message for you in the year 2026. So what are the fairies saying? They are saying the year 2026 will be a year of transformation for Pisces, yani Meen Rashi. This fairy tells you to surrender to a transformation in your life that's happening for your highest good, and embrace your transformation. The best is yet to come, and it's already on the way in the year 2026. So be ready for it. All right, so this was the generic reading that I did for Pisces, yani Meen Rashi. If you want a personalized session, a reading session done from me, you can call us on 73489 14808. You can also DM us on the same video that we are posting right now. You can go through our services on our website, which is angelshealyou.com. All right, thank you so much for watching.